Hello beautiful people, una welcome back to my YouTube channel. How una dey my people? Abeg if na today be your first time wey dey come across this YouTube channel, my name na Rose. I be mother, I be hairstylist and I also be YouTuber. No fail to subscribe to this channel and I promise you no go regret am. And to my old subscribers, una do well when I always dey stop by dey watch my video. So my people, I don come again with another video. For this video now, I go dey show una how to roast tilapia fish and also make salad with and fried plantain. So when I just sit back, relax and watch how to make this tilapia fish. If una eat this fish, my people, una no go want to stop to eat tilapia fish. So when I just sit back, relax, when I watch how I go take achieve this my roasted tilapia fish, and I do well. So to start with, you go first comot the bone, wash am with salt. If una as una dey see am so na salt na take dey wash am. After I don comot the whole bone for the body, make for no wound me, I come use salt take dey wash every part of this tilapia fish. Na wetin I dey do for here. So you must wash your tilapia fish with salt. If you no fit use salt, you use lime. If una wash am well, na see the kind those draw things wey dey come out for the inside of the fish. So na this place na you suppose to wash well, because if you no wash am well, by the time you come roast am finish, the thing go dey drop from am. So you need to wash am well with either salt or lime. So for this my own na salt na I use. The two dey go well, either salt or lime. So na wetin I dey do for here. So my people, after I wash this fish finish, I can use kitchen tissue take clean all the water for the body, because if you no clean the water, by the time you come put your sauce, the thing will come dey watery. So you no want am like that. You must use kitchen tissue take clean all the whole water wey dey for the body. For this my own, I even put some of the kitchen tissue I spread am put on top of my kitchen this thing. I come put the tilapia fish on top, so that the ones wey be say I no clean finish, you go the ones wey dey for down, the tissue kitchen wey dey for down go still dey soak the water. So na wetin I do for this place. And if una watch this plate now, I get my onions, my pepper, fresh pepper dey there, then my bell pepper, I use green bell pepper, then I still get garlic and the ginger inside that plate. Then the next thing, I get crayfish. I also get my peso spices of which I show na just now. So I put everything inside blender. I come blend them together, both the ginger, the garlic, the fresh pepper, the onions. Then with the crayfish, I come still put the pepper soup spices, like 2 spoons inside. Then I go see am. So I blend everything together. I come still add 1 cube of maggi with salt, because I no want make say I don blend everything finish before I come dey put maggi. The reason why I put this maggi now inside this blender, I wan blend everything together, so when I wan make the sauce, I no go wan add anything again. So na wetin I do for here. I don first blend first batch. The blender na small blender na I use. So see where I for dey put the pepper soup spices, 2 spoons na I put to give am that native taste. You understand? Because I remember that time when I did Nigeria, if I wan go eat bole, all those fish that they roast with bole, I dey taste that native taste for inside all those fish. So now wetin I feel say they give am that, because inside this pepper soup spices, all the whole spices dey inside. So na make me put am inside this my pepper sauce to give am that native taste. I come still add salt put inside, blend everything together. You will consider the kind of how many fish you wan use and the gauge of the sauce, so that before you go put salt and other things make e no go pass. So after I blend am finish, I come set am aside. I come cut this fish. This place where I dey cut now, na there I go put the sauce, so that e go soak am well. Everything go go inside, so that if you dey eat am you go know say you dey eat roasted fish. You understand? So na wetin I dey do for here. Because if you no cut am, you come put the sauce like that, e no go go inside the fish. And if you dey cut your fish, make you know how you go take cut am, because e get the way you go take cut am now. By the time this fish don smoke finish, na you come dey break. So if una wash am well, na no just cut am well go deep. I just cut am small, leave am so far you don get space. Na see am now. Shey you see am? Like this now, I don dry this fish. I don use that kitchen tissue take dry all the whole water comot for the body. So the next thing, I put my pan for fire. I come put palm oil to take fry the sauce small, because I no want that raw tasteness for inside the fish. So I fry the sauce small before I start to dey apply and put for the tilapia fish. So na my sauce be this. After I don blend am, na im be this one wey I dey see for here so. So at this point, my oil don heat. Now I go dey pour my sauce inside this oil. Omo, why I dey pour this thing? The thing just dey spread for everywhere. The thing even burn my hand small sha, because my gas hot. E too hot. So I don already fry the sauce finish. Now I dey apply am for inside the tilapia fish body. The reason why I wear that hand glove na because say I get small injury for my hand, so and I no want this sauce to pepper me for hands. Na im make me wear that hand glove. So no be compulsory say you must wear hand glove. So na see the way I dey apply the sauce for inside the fish now. Make sure say you carry and rub everywhere for this tilapia fish. Both the inside, the outside, everywhere. Make the sauce just dey for everywhere. And make sure say you dey still dey put am inside those places where you cut for the tilapia fish. Shey una see the way e take dey now. So now I go put am inside oven now, leave am for like 25 minutes. Then after 25 minutes, I will still carry am come outside again. So the next thing wey I do na my plantain now. I come dey peel. I wan fry the plantain now, because na I go take eat this tilapia fish. If you no wan use plantain sha, you fit still use any other thing like yam or even potato chips, but me I prefer ripe plantain. After I peel am finish, I come add small salt to give am small taste, because I no dey like man dey fry my plantain without say I no put salt. So na wetin I dey do for here. So my people, after 25 minutes, when I see the way the catfish come be, I see catfish, tilapia fish. When I no mind me jare, I still like catfish when I make the mistake they call catfish for it. So when I see the my tilapia fish be now, this is after 25 minutes where I don't take the roast and inside water. So wetin I dey do now, I wan turn am so that I go still rub the sauce, put for the other side. And when you dey turn your fish, make sure say you dey very careful, make for no break or make for no scatter am. So na wetin I dey do for you. After I rub this sauce finish, I will still put am inside oven again, leave am for another 20 minutes, because one thing about fresh fish, you no roast am well. By the time you carry am come outside from inside oven, you go dey see all those blood for the body. You see e not done well. So and me I no want make I come dey eat fish wey be say e no done. And again, I made this thing for visitors, So I know when people come dey eat something finish, they go come dey say, this girl no sabi cook, or e just give her raw fish. So the next thing na I dey fry my plantain. And again, if you person be say dey avoid oil, make sure say you dey put kitchen paper for the plate wey you wan for put your plantain, so that the kitchen paper go soak all the whole oil, take too much excess oil no go come dey for the plantain wey you wan eat. But since some people dey like oil, but my husband no like am, and me too I no still like am, na make I put this kitchen tissue make for soak all the whole excess oil wey dey for this plantain. Na wetin I dey do for here. So the next thing, I wan start to dey prepare my salad. Inside this plate I get my cabbage, carrot dey, fresh tomatoes and cucumber. So my people, I use this na grater dey call am wetin, na I take grate this cabbage, because I no wan use knife. But you fit still use knife take cut your cabbage, but me I no use knife. So na this grater na I use take grate all the whole cabbage, still use am grate the carrot. But for the cucumber I use knife, and for the tomatoes I also use knife slice am. Na wetin I dey see so. As I dey do this salad, my daughter Stephanie, she just dey disturb me. So guys, I know say I no show una where I for boil this egg, but I boil egg but I no put sweet corn because I no get, so I use wetin I get to prepare this salad. So I boil egg for this salad, scatter am come still put mayonnaise and everything. Na only sweet corn I no do for this salad, but you fit still eat am like this sha, e still sweet. Then I still slice small onions, put small red onion. So wetin I dey do now, dey scatter the egg so that the egg go enter every part of this salad. Na wetin I dey try do for you. Na the mayonnaise when I use na be this. I use the sachet one because the bottom one when I get, I not too like that one. Na this one I like. So now this one I put. You fit use any mayonnaise of your choice, but me I prefer this one. So my people, when I see the outcome of the tilapia fish, my salad and my plantain, how una see am? Abeg make una no fail to try this recipe, una go love am. I will see una for my next video. Una do well. Una bye bye.